Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use promo code on Shein. So the first step is to simply open the app and then simply go on and add any products to your cart. So I'm gonna go with this one here. And after that you'll have to simply go to your cart. So you'll have to tap on your cart and then here you have to go to the checkout and then you have to simply add your shipping address and everything. And then basically you have to scroll down. So let me add my shipping address and everything here. So let me add some random information, otherwise it won't work. This and then this straight line, and then make this default, and then simply tap on save. And after that you'll have to simply scroll down and tap on apply voucher, and then simply choose your voucher and basically tap on apply, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.